What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me on D's Analysis. We're going to be looking at Microstrategy and Bitcoin, looking over price action and using different indicators. Microstrategy still, or MSTR, is still riding this trend line like we previously spoke about. Still in this channel at the bottom, looking pretty good. Pre-market's at 281 currently. It was earlier at like 284. Bitcoin's currently almost pushing to 90,000. So if we can break out of this, get this retest of this trend line, we can see higher prices pushing up to this 360 target, eventually the 450 and 400 targets as well, and crack through that. Once we get the volume and momentum on our side, I'm sure it's going to be crazy. Speaking of that, when you look here on the MACD, it looks like we're starting to curl up. So there's a lot of bearish momentum, as you can see here, and it looks like it's starting to flip over. So as this continues to start curling up, these will start to turn green, pushing up. So this could be a good sign. Nothing guaranteed, of course. And the volume is slowly increasing, which is what we need to see with MicroStrategy. We need to see that uptrend in volume. That's what really gets the price moving. When we look at the SMAs on the daily, we're sitting right on the 200 SMA. So this could be a great sign. These three all combined, the channel support with the SMA, could result in a massive move from here. So let's see if we break here, boom, and continue up to the top of the channel. Let's see what happens. This thing can run up quickly. We can get to all-time highs in, honestly, like a week span. I'm not saying a week from now, but once we start moving, it could take a week, a couple days. If you were looking the other day, the open was 15%. It opened up 15% up, which is insane. Imagine if that were to happen right now. It's not going to happen right now, but it's hypothetical. 15% would already put us at 300. And then the rest of the day. Imagine if you gain another 15% on that, and now you're sitting at 360 or 370, something like that. So this thing can really get moving quickly. We just need the momentum and the volume behind us and the bullish sentiment. That's what you really need. And everything will just start to play out better. So here we got the 50-week moving average, 50-week moving average. So we're right underneath that, or right above that. And this is another, all these things combined and confluence together, it's just a recipe for success in the bullish terms. That there's a lot of support underneath us with moving averages, price action, trend lines, channels, all of that. So this is a good time. Not financial advice, but this might be a good time to buy. We'll see what happens. Here on the weekly, we're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band on the green. So I mean, this is even more, these are more things just adding up together for reasons why we could push up to this top of this channel and beyond. On the daily, we are also at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. I mean, there's literally like 10 things combined that could push us higher. So these are all good signs. We just have to get the momentum behind us, and this thing is going to rip. So we're just waiting for that to happen. I'll keep you guys updated on what's to come next, and I'll see you guys in the next one.